Hi guys, and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an Ajio 2020 haul. To be more specific, this is going to be a kurti haul. So if you are somebody who's more towards the kurti and if you want to see like a good kurti collection, I have like tons of kurti from Ajio. So if you want to see that, I hope this video would help you. And of late I've been seeing on YouTube that it has been flooded with the Ajio hauls. So why not get another one? So if you're expecting anything like tops or jeans or any western wear, you're not going to see that in this video. You're only going to see like kurtis, like specifically long kurtis, which are super stylish and which are both, you know, for your formal and informal looks. So yeah, that's all you're going to get in this video, and I really hope you enjoy watching this. And all the product links would be there down in the description box below, so you can check those specific kurtis from the link. And the prices may vary because I had purchased it in a different price and now the prices might have fluctuated to something else. So yeah, without much ado, let's get started with the video. Kurti that I want to talk about is this one. It's a very nice floral print navy blue kurti. It has flowers of different colors all over it, and it's like a proper navy blue color. I mean, my camera might be fluctuating because of the light, but yeah, this is how the kurti looks. I'm gonna insert like one of my clips here so you could see how this looks like exactly. And of course you get the kurti in this length, like the length of the kurti is up to your ankle, a little above your ankle, and you have like a button detailing all going here with a different color, which makes the kurti look more popping and more elegant. And you also get a pocket. I think you get pocket in all the Ajio kurtis, so yeah, you also get a pocket. And usually all the kurtis that you get here are sleeveless, so I have got the sleeves stitched to this, otherwise you get it like sleeveless. And this is what it looks like. It's super affordable and really very good. The next kurti that I have is very elegant. It's this white kurti. It's again an ankle length kurti. It's completely long. It's more like, you know, those maxi dresses that you get. And down you have border with black, and this is not actually black, this is actually navy blue, but it's so deep in color that it almost looks like black, and I don't know what you call that color. So yeah, this is from the brand Nari, and the quality, I must say, is so amazing. This is 100% cotton kurti. I love wearing this in my formal events or informal events, wherever I want to. Looks really very pretty. You have a button detailing also at the back. So the neck, like the neck size is this small, but you do get like a button here, and the sleeves are pretty long. This is the only kurti I think which does not have like a sleeveless one, and yeah, that's the length. Again, you can check it here somewhere on the clip. The only detailing in the kurti is the string that you get on the side to attach, and I absolutely love this. It looks so classy, it looks so formal, and you can just pair it with high black heels and, you know, those straight pants, black straight pants, and I guess you're good to go. Kurti is this one. It's from the brand Avasa. My size in this is small, and this is a kurti that I've not purchased. This is a kurti I got as a gift from one of my friend, and it looks a little more magenta, like it's like a magenta color, though it looks like pink on camera, but it is more like towards the magenta side. It's more deeper than what you see on camera, and yeah, this is what the kurti looks like. My size is small, and this is not 100% cotton. It's like those thick cotton, maybe a chanderi silk kind of. You have also seen me wearing this in one of my previous videos where I've done like a pink glam makeup tutorial, and I've been wearing this. It's so good like for your festive events as well as for your informal events. So you could always pair it with a beige color pant. That's what I have been wearing once I wore it outside, and you have a button detailing going on here, and the cloth is a little thick, but I guess it's more like a silk kind of material, like you understand the chanderi silk material. It's that. The next kurti is again a very pretty floral yellow long kurti, and that's the length. Like by kurtis I mean proper long kurtis, okay? So this is what it looks like, and again, you do get sleeves with this. I haven't really attached it. I like to wear it with black tank tops or with pink tank tops so that the kurti gets more popping and it looks even better. So you can see it's like the floral print happening all over it, and this is the length of the kurti you get. The fabric is very comfortable. It's again 100% cotton. Again, it comes from a brand Avasa, and my size in this is small. The next kurti is again from the brand Nari. I guess Fusion, Avasa and Nari, they are like the leading brands in Ajio, and they have amazing collections to offer. Even if you want to go for like festive looks, or you want to go for casual looks, or you want to go for formal looks, I think they have all collections to offer. So do check these brands out. So the next kurti is again from the brand Nari, and this is in such a pretty pink color. Like, it's a baby pink color. It's that comfortable, it's very soft, it looks so pretty with white leggings, and you just have like, it's a plain kurti with a little button detailing over here, and you get like 3/4 sleeves almost. Yeah, you get like a 3/4 sleeves. The sleeves are till here, so that's what you get. And the only detailing in the kurti is down below. It's like a thread work happening down at the bottom, and again this kurti's length is up to your calves, and it looks really pretty, again for formal and informal events as well. It looks so gorgeous and so stunning. Definitely check this one out. The next kurti is again one of my favorites from the list, and it's again from the brand Avasa, and it's this blue, navy blue and sky blue kurti with a little bit of tassel detailing on its neck, and this is the length of the kurti. Again, a pretty long kurti for your office look, for your college look, for your any kind of look. Okay, so even if you're wearing it at home, it looks so pretty. And yeah, this is what it looks like. You have like you can check the clip out there, and yeah, it's again 100% cotton, and I think these are priced also so beautifully and at such a good rate, because once you go to the tailor to get a top stitched or to get a suit piece stitched, you're not gonna get it in less than 600 or 500. But if you get the entire designer kurti at such a rate, including the material, including the stitching, including the brand, and including the kind of fit that it offers you, I think these kurtis are worth going for. And I think Ajio has one of the finest kurti collections, even better than any other online shopping, because I usually prefer this website for my kurtis. The next kurti is again from the brand Avasa, and it's a little different than any other kurtis that you have seen, and it's a nice, it's little thick material. Okay, like it's a little heavy, but it's again 100% cotton. Like, the material is not heavy, but the kind of design that it offers it down, it is like a nice high-low kurti with powder pink colored borders, and it looks really stylish. And because of so many flares in the kurti, it makes the kurti a little heavy once you lift it or once you wear it, but I promise it's not uncomfortable. It looks really very good. It has a nice floral print happening all over it, like with pink and green leaves and yellow flowers, and again some kind of button detailing in front over here. And yeah, this is so different. Like, it is one of those different styles. Is this one. This also has to be like my favorite of the lot. Whenever I have worn this, I have always been so complimented, and it's this black and yellow colored kurti, again so beautiful for your formal as well as for your informal looks. I have worn this in the formal meetings of my office in college, and this looks so pretty even then, and I've always been complimented, like, you have a great collection. So all of these collections are from Ajio. And you have like a collar detail happening here. My size in this is medium, but I think I got it a little altered, so you should be taking small. I mean, do check out what fits you best. And backside, it's completely plain. You have like plain at the back, but in front, that's the detailing you get. Like, the yellow color keeps popping, and you have like black borders and little sequins happening here. And this is also cotton in material. All the kurtis that you find here are cotton in material except the pink one which I showed you, that was gifted to me. Rest all of them are cotton, and they are super comfortable to wear. And you can pair all of these with your basic black or white or red leggings, jeggings, or straight pants, whatever you prefer. I think it's going to go. Again, it's sleeveless. You get sleeves along with this, so you see sleeves are attached, and also you get like pockets. So again, I like wearing it with a tank top because I usually don't wear sleeveless too much, but in case if I'm wearing, then fine. But if I'm not wearing, then I like wearing it with my tank top, because then this gives it like a more popping look. And yeah, that's what this looks like. The next kurti on the haul is this one. It's from the brand called Fusion, and I love the print of this kurti. It's like a so pretty floral print kurti, and I've worn this, like I've taken this to wear it at home, but I could also like wear it outside because it looks really pretty. Again, I've always been complimented whenever I've worn. The material of this is comparatively thicker than other cotton kurtis. Like this is not super light, but this is a little thick. And again, you get like 3/4 sleeves with this. The color is so pretty. You could pair it with orange leggings, with leaf green kind of leggings, and it's going to look so pretty. Next kurti on the haul, you won't find a clip here because this is for my mom, and I cannot wear and show you, but I really like the print of these. So this is from the brand Avasa once again, and it's this kurti. Okay, so it has such a pretty leaf print going here. Like you see such a pretty print all over it. It's again 100% cotton, and it's my mom's size, so can't really wear and show you, but this is what the overall kurti looks like. It's again below your knees. It doesn't reach your ankle or your calves, but definitely a very pretty kurti for your casual outings, for maybe your formal events as well. So it looks really very nice. You also have like a small tassel thing happening here, which really makes the kurti so put together. And yeah, I really like this. Also, all these kurtis come with these extra buttons, so in case you have lost it, in case it has been plucked out, so you can use it. I've seen it in all the Ajio kurtis, and I have a couple of them more, but I thought of doing like a part 2 of it, but let's keep it part 1, because filming videos like this, trying out kurtis and then putting it's really very tiresome, and that's why I thought of including. So even if the video gets a little long, please bear and do enjoy. And if you really want to purchase any of these, the links are always down in the description box. If this video really helps you, do not forget to subscribe, please, because it does take a lot of effort to make videos. And next kurti that I want to talk about is again one of my favorites, and I've been wearing this so many times. I've been complimented. It's from the brand Aurelia, and this is what the kurti looks like. The first time that I saw this, I got my eyes stuck on this, and I really wanted it. I don't have this color in my wardrobe, so I wanted to get one. It's a nice olive green foil printed kurti, and this is what the entire print looks like. It's so gorgeous for your festive wears and for your party wears, and it looks so pretty. Like I'd been wearing this during Eid, and it was looking so pretty. I paired it with a nice golden plazos, and it was just gorgeous. You also get like a beautiful button thing here, okay, and it was looking really very amazing. And if you're looking for one festive kurti, do pick this one. You also get it in different colors, but I think this is one color that's going to suit on everybody. Do try like a brick colored lipstick with it, and you're going to go very good. So do try this. Next kurti that I want to talk about is this one. It's from the brand Avasa once again, and my size in this kurti is medium. I like to order kurtis a little loose. I don't like very fitted kurtis because I think that does not really give a proper look to the kurti, and also makes me feel really uncomfortable, because I really like a little airy kind of kurtis. So yeah, this is the next one, and this is what it looks like. It's a nice mustard yellow kurti. Again, you can wear it for parties and for festivals as well. And you have like a No, this is not mirror, but this is like those plastic mirrors that you get. So that's the detail happening here, and little bit of work over here, and down you have golden prints as well as blue dots all over the kurti. And to show you close, this is what it looks like. You also have a gota at the bottom of the kurta, and that really borders it up so well and looks really pretty. You also have the gota thing happening at the sleeves, and it really gives a very pretty festive look. So you can definitely try this out. I would really recommend this. The next kurti that I want to talk about is this one. It's a very simple basic red kurti with a very little work over here. I like to wear this at home and it just gives you a very good look. Okay, by the way, if you're wondering what kurti is this and where is it from, it's not from Ajio, and I wish it was on Ajio because I really love this. Like, to show you guys full, this is what it looks like, and it has a nice blingy what do you call, sequins thing happening all over it, and it looks so pretty, and it was available in so many colors in my local store, and really like this kurti. It looks really very pretty. Yeah. So this is what this kurti looks like. It's again 100% cotton kurti, and backside it's completely plain, and this is a medium length kurti. It's not very long, and I've worn it so many times, so you must have seen some of the clothes being really crushed, so don't judge me for that. Yeah, this is what it looks like from the brand Avasa. And is there those 499 kurtis that you get priced at 499? It's one of those kurti, and it's a very nice blue colored kurti. It's a peacock blue color, and it has these small green leaves printed all over it, and it looks really pretty. Again, I bought it to wear at home. And okay, the next kurti that I have is this one. It's so pretty. Like, I don't have this color, and this is what it looks like. It's a nice blue colored kurti with a rope attached with a tassel at the end, and you also have a tassel detail on the neck. This is worked with green color, like this is a nice light green color, and down all over it's a plain kurti with some thread work like this. I hope the camera can pick it. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Down at the bottom, like right at the bottom of the kurti, you have this work, and this looks so fab. You get sleeves attached to all these kurtis, and you can wear them. Two more kurtis. These are from their winter collection, and I don't have it with me right now because it's somewhere packed for winters, and I cannot really show you, but I wore it last year, and I really thought of including it this year in this haul because I really found those kurtis very amazing. It's a nice winter wear like knit kind of kurti, and I bought it in two colors, again from the brand Fusion. I would insert a picture of me wearing the same kurti somewhere on screen, and it looks so stunning. It looks so pretty. One, I got it in maroon color, the other one that I have is in grey color, and my sister purchased that, so I would just insert a picture of the maroon one. You could go for the grey one as well, and it looks so pretty in parties as well as, you know, even if you're going out during winters. It looks really pretty, and it's like a nice thin you know, woolen material kind of kurti, and it has like shine all over it, so it looks really pretty. That time I remember last year buying it at its original price, but now these kurtis are available at a good discount, so you can definitely check that out. So yeah, that completes my Ajio haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and all the details of the kurtis are in the description box below. Please do not forget to check them out if you liked any, and do leave your feedback down in the comment section below. How did you like the kurtis to be, and if you want me to do any more kind of hauls from any other websites, or if you want me to do something apart from kurtis, you can definitely tell me down in the comment section below, because I have purchased a couple of tops and jeans, but it's not like a proper haul, so I've not put up in a video. I really wanted to make this video more ethnic, so I've made it. So if you really want something like that, please do let me know down in the comment section below, and I'd be more than happy to make for you guys. And do not forget to like and share this video with your friends who you think is going to make any kind of online purchase. So yeah, I really hope this video helps you guys. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. That's about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.